So after you've signed up, you can go to the Appraisals tab, click Add Appraisal, and you will generate a year here. And this will basically be the year of your appraisal. So once you've done that, you click on this and you'll be taken into your actual appraisal. So on the left here, we have all the different sections. Over here we have the main body, which we'll come to in a second. In order to go back to the dashboard, which would list all your previous appraisals, you just press that. So now let's go through the different parts of appraisal. So we have some instructions here on how to use the platform. This bit is for your information. So I'm just going to do that. Don't know how to spell my name. My date of qualification, I actually can't remember, but I know it was in October 2018, the national qualification. My PAMBR number. When I can expect my appraisal date. So I'm expecting to have mine in June. Oh, sorry, I think it's July. So I'll just put that in there. I'm going to put my appraiser there. And you can put your surgery where you work. Always remember to press save. Now, once you've done this, you can mark this as done. And you can see here on the left, there's a tick indicating that this section is done.